welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, of course, and today we're going to be drawing insects, bugs, all that cool stuff. Don't worry, if you don't like insects and bugs too much, these are cute little critters. Look at that. Oh, they're going to be colored in, and they're going to be sweet, so don't worry. I do have some trivia for you, or actually facts for the most part, on bugs today. So we're going to be talking about bugs, drawing bugs, and it's going to be fun. Don't worry. Maybe your fear of bugs will kind of go away after this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just start right in. The first fact, a ladybug might eat more than 5,000 insects in a lifetime. 5,000 insects a ladybug eats. I had no clue. I had no clue until I looked it up on National Geographic Kids. Did you know that fruit flies were the first living creatures to be sent into space? Well, it's true. How crazy is that fact too? Wow, lots of bug facts out there, aren't there? Dragonflies have been on Earth for, guess how long? How long do you think dragonflies have been on Earth? 300 million years. Wow. I believe it. Dragonflies look like they've been on Earth for a very long time. How many times do you think a bee's wing beats per second? Just guess. Every second. Ready? 1,000. Right there. How many times do you think that bee's wings beat? 190 times. That's 11,400 times in a minute. Wow. Can you imagine how tired a bee must be? It's crazy. The stag beetle is the largest species of insect to be found in the UK. Caterpillars, they have 12 eyes. 12 eyes. Wow. All right, so this next one is about a dung beetle, so cover your ears if you need to. A dung beetle can drag 1,141 times its weight. That's like a human pulling 6 double-decker buses. Wow. You work out, bro? He must. Dung beetles must work out because, wow, that is a lot of weight. And everybody always talks about ants lifting twice their weight. Ooh, big deal. Dung beetles. Now that's a big deal. A single honeybee colony can produce 100 kilograms of honey each year. That's 220 jars. 220. One colony. Large groups of fireflies sometimes flash in unison. So, if you have a huge group of fireflies or lightning bugs, I guess is what they call it around here in Texas. I didn't know. I was from Washington State, and they said lightning bug. And I said, what's a lightning bug? And they said, well, it's a firefly. So people call them a little bit different things here and there, but I call them fireflies. To breathe underwater, the water scorpion uses a snorkel-like tube on its abdomen. That's kind of weird. How would you like an appendage that you can use like a snorkel? Did you know that there are 36 species of dragonfly found in the UK? Well, now you do. What kind of ant do you think can leap 7 times the length of their body? A bulldog ant. And that's what it's called, I promise. That's what it's called. Did you know that if you have smelly feet, mosquitoes are attracted to it and might bite you even more? So clean your feet. If you're always wondering, why are my legs getting bitten? It's probably because you got smelly feet. I don't know, I have really clean feet. I'm always a very clean person, but mosquitoes love me. I guess I eat too much sugar because my blood must be sweet. They are always biting me. Some male stoneflies do push-ups to attract a mate. So even bugs do push-ups. But you know, a dung beetle does not have to because, you know, they can lift a bunch of their weight. They're like the bodybuilders of the insect world. Did you know that grasshoppers have special organs in their hind legs that store energy for jumping? And they can jump really high because of that. Guess what a hornet's food is? Guess what a hornet's favorite food is? A honeybee. Ooh, that's scary. The red postman butterfly develops its own poison by eating toxic plants. Well, I guess that kind of makes sense, right? I don't know what a sea skater is, but their leg hair traps air, enabling it to float on water. Male giraffe weevils use their long necks to fight each other. Wow. If you can see a picture of a male giraffe weevil, it would blow your mind. So you need to go to Google, with your parents' permission, of course, and look up a giraffe weevil. W-E-E-V-I-L-S, because they are weird looking. But they fight with their necks, like whoosh, whoosh. If you would like to find out more about bugs, National Geographic Kids is actually a really good place to find out. They don't sponsor this video, of course, but I found it kind of interesting. So many bug facts. So look at these bugs. Didn't they turn out beautiful? Butterfly is amazing. It's colorful. We've got the beetle and the bee and the caterpillar, but this caterpillar does not have 16 eyes. It has 2. And it's adorable. I hope yours turned out just as well. And thank you so much for being here with me and drawing. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you on the next video. As always, bye-bye.